Hello, hello, my sweet friends. Today we're going to make a cute little sign. We are adding plaster paint to this little board that Randy cut out for me on the Glowforge. We're going to give it a good dry. We're going to have to add 2 coats to that, so just hang with me, you guys, and you're going to see something really, really cute here in just a second. I'm going to do the front and the back, you guys, because I like to finish my projects. We're just going to add it all over it. Give it a good dry on both sides. Add a little more in the places that need it. Dry it. A lot of drying and painting here. Okay, and then we're going to do some of the fine line crackle. We're going to do part 1. We're just going to put it all over the sign. Sorry about that, y'all. Sorry about that noise. Okay, we got it on there. We're going to give it a good dry. And then we're going to do part 2 as soon as we get this good and dry. We're adding part 2 now. You guys, I'm going to be painting something in the background. So if you hear my little brush just running, you know what that is. Because I decided I wanted one of these for myself, not just for the auction, but for myself also. So I'm going to make myself one while I'm sitting here doing the comments. Or the voiceover. I'm sorry, not comments, but voiceover. This is super cute. We're going to add some wax to show those fine lines that we have on here. And that wax goes down in the cracks where that cracks. And it shows up on this, and it just really makes that crackle look amazing. You guys, this trim came from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just cutting it off. I have 7 little pieces. I counted 7 rows over. We cut it. Then we're going to go, we're putting the Totally Dazzled on for the trunk of the tree. Then we're going to add that to the trunk. Then we're going to go 6, 5, 4, and so on and so forth, all the way up to form our tree out of this trim. Y'all, this is so stinking cute. I love this. I think it turned out absolutely adorable. You guys, you've got to make you some of these. These are stinking cute. Cute, cute, cute. I had this idea while I was in the shower today. And I thought, oh, that would make a cute, fast video. So here we are making it, y'all. I hope that you guys like this. Look how sweet that is, you guys. And it looks like a real tree. I love it. Super duper cute. We're going to add the last one there to the top. And look at that, you guys. Isn't that adorable, y'all? I love it. And then we're going to add a cute, Totally Dazzled snowflake for a star. And it goes from top to bottom. Look how cute that is. I'm going to grab a piece of ribbon here behind me to put for a hanger. And the back was dirty, you guys, where I had it turned over. So I'm just going to clean that back right up with some paint. Give it a good dry here. And then we're going to add our little hanger on here. I tried to pick a color that went well with the tree. It's kind of a champagne color. The ribbon just adds a little to it. There's the final product, you guys. Look how cute that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this and have a great day.